Dad, when you want them to start counting, they're going to count
Brianna,
back.
can you get the whole thing?
Yeah.
Do you want to do it from the top?
I don't know if she can
Somebody
do that.
dropped a domino.
That's all right. We'll get it later. We don't want to bend down to
I was
get
gonna say,
it.
I got it right here.
All right. Tell them when you want them to start counting backwards.
Okay, count.
Wait a second.
Wait.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Blast off!
What's going on?
Oh, flick it, flick it.
Oh, we had a double.
Double row.
That wasn't supposed to go
Oh,
that
no.
way. Wait.
Didn't go according to plan.
Oh, no.
It's because it's sticky, that's why. The
Yeah,
At
probably.
least there was no record, so you still get however many.
Well, it was the chain, building the chain. Oh, look at how it's
cool
going.
that is.
Well, it's going now.
Yeah.
It's just
It's
the
cool.
back and
It's almost cooler than Domino's because it goes slowly.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
you can go.
Bang, bang,
See,
bang,
it sticks to the table. That's the
Yeah.
problem.
The chocolate, because it's so warm in here.
It's going faster. Might have to get another AC.
Oh,
See,
what?
it's stuck to the table.
It looks
Yeah.
like YouTube freezing.
Oh, no.
It still is the world record.
It is. Oh.
Wait,
Oh,
do you
what?
count the whole thing, or do you only?
We
get
have to count and see how many we actually used.
in a chain? Can you count the ones that stopped?
Yes.
Yeah. It's not how many fell. It's the world record domino.
Kind of
chain.
cool, though, isn't it?
Yeah.
3 hours work and
Oh, really?
You guys have got to
I
get
feel
raised
bad
for
for
that. You guys have got to get raised for that.
A raise. Oh, no.
They're stuck to the table now.
The first ones are
You know
stuck
what?
to the
Yeah,
table.
because they were there the longest.
Well, there we go. The red ones are going good. Wow.
Oh, you king.
Alright.
I won the blue one.
That design is so cool. You should get a picture of
Yeah,
it, like
wait.
up there. Yeah, you should.
Oh,
Alright,
get a
that's
picture.
just
Get a
cool.
picture.